How much does Rocket Money charge to negotiate bill? Intro. Hey everyone, you're sitting at your kitchen table, surrounded by bills. Your heart races as you flip through them, dreading the total. You wish there was a magical app that could wave a wand and make those numbers disappear. Well, that's where Rocket Money comes in. They claim to negotiate your bills for free, saving you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars. But is it too good to be true? Let's dive in and find out. Hook. Have you ever heard the phrase, "there's no such thing as a free lunch"? Well, when it comes to Rocket Money, that might be the case. Building context. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand how Rocket Money works. Basically, it's a personal finance app that helps you track your spending, find hidden fees, and, most importantly, negotiate your bills. It's like having a personal financial assistant at your fingertips. The negotiation process. So, how does Rocket Money actually negotiate your bills? It's a pretty straightforward process. You simply link your bank accounts to the app, and Rocket Money will identify bills that it thinks can be negotiated. Then, it will contact your service providers on your behalf, trying to get them to lower your rates. The free claim. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the claim that Rocket Money negotiates bills for free. While it's true that you don't pay Rocket Money directly for its negotiation services, there's a catch. Rocket Money makes its money by receiving a commission from the service providers if they agree to lower your rates. The potential downsides. While Rocket Money can be a helpful tool, it's not without its potential downsides. For starters, not all service providers are willing to negotiate. Additionally, the amount you save can vary greatly depending on your specific circumstances. And, of course, there's always the risk that your service provider might raise your rates after Rocket Money has negotiated a lower one. Is Rocket Money worth it? So, is Rocket Money worth it? The answer depends on your individual situation. If you're struggling to make ends meet or simply want to save money on your bills, it's definitely worth considering. However, it's important to be realistic about your expectations and understand that there's no guarantee you'll save a significant amount. Tips for using Rocket Money effectively. If you decide to give Rocket Money a try, here are a few tips to help you get the most out of it. Be patient. The negotiation process can take time, so don't expect immediate results. Be prepared. Have your bills and account information ready when you link your bank accounts. Be realistic. Understand that there's no guarantee you'll save money. Be proactive. If you're not satisfied with the results, don't hesitate to contact Rocket Money directly. Conclusion. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, does Rocket Money charge to negotiate bills? Technically, no. However, it's important to remember that Rocket Money makes its money by receiving a commission from the service providers. Whether or not that's a fair trade-off is a decision only you can make. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.